Hi there, guys and girls. One lovely morning. I know, afternoon, sorry. Let's have some late lunch. Eggplant. Well, as you have noticed, I'm still having a viand of sinigang na bangus. But by this time, I fried it. 3 days of having a viand of bangus or milkfish, as famously known all over the world. Guys, this could be my day 31. Sorry. Come on. Open your mouth. Love it. I'm saving so much of my money. See that? Day 31 of not eating meats like pork, chicken, beef for my abstinence. You can do it, guys. You still have 14 days to go. Self-penitence and for you to have for you to have indulgence to the Lord. Okay? Want some chili? Hot. Bye for now.